Regarding computers and mobile devices, when people say, "I'm using the cloud," how many of us think of this? It's not that kind of cloud. Think of the cloud as a big hard drive that lives outside your computer in a remote location which you can access via the internet. Now, why is using the cloud important? Let's talk about 3 ways you can take advantage of the cloud to simplify your life and keep your data more secure and safe. First up is automatic backup of your data. A good example of this is photos you shoot on your smartphone. Each picture you take gets stored automatically to your phone. Now suppose something happens to your phone and it gets damaged. This happened to me a while back when I was swimming and had my iPhone in my pocket. Of course, my phone was toast, but fortunately, my photos and other important data was backed up to the cloud. All was right with the world. Use a cloud service to start automatically backing up your photos and videos. On iOS, there's iCloud and the Apple's Photos app. On Android, there's Google Photos and Google Drive. Dropbox is also another excellent third-party option. For Verizon customers, they're lucky. They have Verizon Cloud, which is designed to work seamlessly with your computer and mobile devices. Whatever you choose, do make it a priority to set up automatic backup now. The second reason you want to use the cloud is for backup redundancy. So what do I mean by that? A simple way to accomplish this is to implement a 3-2-1 backup strategy. That means 3 copies of your data on 2 different media, with one being off-site. Your 3 copies can consist of the original file on your computer or mobile device and 2 additional backup copies. It's not enough just to have one. One of those copies should be on an alternate form of media, such as a DVD or USB key, and one of the 3 copies should be housed off-site. Now, while you can always make a third copy on an external hard drive and bring that to an off-site location like a trusted friend or family's house, using a cloud service such as Verizon Cloud, Dropbox, Carbonite, or Google Drive is much easier. You can do that right over the internet, no need to get in your car and drive anywhere. There are many services available, but you certainly get the point. You don't have a true backup unless you have multiple copies. Now, the third reason to use the cloud is for syncing your data across multiple devices. It used to be back in the day that most people owned a desktop computer, and that was about it. No smartphones, no tablets, or other connected devices. Today, most people own and use several connected devices, smartphones, tablets, laptops, and for many people, multiples of each. Many times you access the same files in each device, whether it's your calendar, your address book, important documents, or even your family photos and videos. Using a cloud service like Verizon Cloud, Dropbox, Google Drive will keep everything in sync automatically across all your devices and computers. This is also very handy for families where you're likely to have several more devices to manage and keep track of. Now, with all that said, your assignment now is to start taking advantage of what the cloud has to offer to protect your important data and easily sync all your devices. Think about what it would be like if you lost any of your family photos and videos. Now get to work.